Both my kids are napping and it's my time to decompress and de-stress as a mom instead of just scrolling my phone. And this is my favorite way, how I've been doing it lately. It's this Draw Trace Doodle Workbook. It's so cute. It has these little botanical flowers, and let me show you how I use it. I almost didn't buy this because I'm definitely not an artist. I hadn't picked up a pencil to draw since high school. But when they say anyone can do it, they really mean it. The book walks you through everything step by step. It teaches doodling through simple repeat patterns, includes warm-up pages, little pro tips along the way, and even gives you access to a free digital library. It's been perfect for those small pockets of quiet I get as a mom. Instead of automatically reaching for my phone or scrolling, I'll sit down and doodle even if it's just for a few minutes. It's also surprisingly calming. It's a quick little mental reset that I need as a mom, and it just helps me be a little bit more present when I'm with my kids. Since using this, I do feel like I can focus a little bit better, and overall, I'm just not as stressed out. If you want to add a little bit more whimsy into your life and stop the doom scroll and do something more meaningful, this is a great way to do it.